Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have their 2007 Porsche 911 Carrera S manual. I've always had a huge soft spot for the 997, especially in the manual trim. I was 7 years old when this car was new. This was my poster car. I had plenty of posters of this car. And this is the first time I've driven a 997 Carrera. I drove a 997 Turbo years ago. I wasn't a fan of how the video came out, but that's why I am revisiting the 997. Fire extinguisher right there. Hopefully won't have to use that. Original window sticker, check this out. Meteor gray over black sports seats. Oh, wow. So it looks like 3.8 6-cylinder, 355, 295 pound-feet. Price when new was $93. This one has all the sports options. Adaptive sports seats, self-dimming mirrors, heated front seats, the 19-inch turbo wheels, the Sport Chrono Pack Plus, the high-end Bose, the stainless steel exhaust pipes. Not bad. Oh boy, do I love this car. It is so analog, it's not even funny. We're in sport mode. PASM on. No backup camera. You can tell the second you start driving this how analog it is. You know, this is one of the early 997s. I just stepped out of the 991.2 4S. And it's amazing just how different these cars are. Basically 10 years separate those cars. This car and the 991.2. It's just amazing how different they feel. Again, this isn't a 4S, so can't really compare, but it is an S. Manual. Ride is not bad. You can shut off or turn the PASM into normal, which honestly is a huge difference. What a car, man. I'm telling you, 2000 to 2010 produced some killer driver cars. What's crazy is this was my poster car. This and the 996, they were my poster cars. You know, this is around the time I started getting into cars, is when this was new. And this was absolutely one of the cars I dreamed about. Let's re-engage PASM. Remember what I said about analog? No turbos, NA power. Oh, almost getting emotional. They say don't meet your heroes, man. This is good. Actually a good amount of torque down low. I'm honestly surprised. Coming from a turbo powertrain, I'm like, down low torque might not be all that good. No, with the short ratio gearbox, initial response is really good. Rev matching, oh, what a joy. Telling you, man, this is a car and a half. What a machine. Oh, the brakes are good. Oh. Oh man, I'm in love with the thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.